and welcome back to Nan with a Backpack. I have got a very special video for you today. So before I left to go back for my little break to the UK, I did the Tonle Sap floating village tour, but it was in dry season. It actually hadn't rained for 2.5 months when I went there, so there was barely any water. Today I am super excited because it is right at the end of the rainy season, and I am going back to the floating village, to the Tonle Sap floating village tour, to see the difference between going in dry season and at the end of rainy season. So I am all put together, sort of. I'm going to be a good girl today because it's out on the water and I don't want to be caught in the sun. So I've got my hat, I've got my bag, of course I've got my backpack, and I am headed off to go and get the bus. So the bus is picking us up at 1 o'clock this afternoon. I am going with Mike and his friend. They're picking us up from his place and taking us out to the same bus collection centre as they did last time. And then we will head off out to the floating village that will be floating. So I am super excited with this one. Sunglasses, rehydration, backpack, camera, got everything. Right, come on, let's go. This is very different from last time I came. Last time we drove right into the village. This time we are getting on the boat right now, right here. We've been told to hang on to your cameras because otherwise the fishes will have them. Okay, we're off. Last time we were on the big boat, this time we're on a little one. It's wonderful being out on the water, and it is so beautiful. The breeze is absolutely perfect. It's amazing to see how much it changes between the seasons. Last time I was here, the motorbikes and tuk-tuks of the families were sitting underneath the houses. So we actually walked through here on the road, and now we're going along in the boat. It is absolutely stunning. Oh, look at all the children there playing out on the river. It's just so beautiful. Look at the electrics there, all hooked up to keep them out the water. This is totally different from the dry season. In all honesty, I couldn't tell you which one I prefer the most. Families here live, work, play and go to school all on the water. It's such a different pace of life. Calm, simple and beautiful.
And totally we have 600 children study here. From morning, it starts from 7 and finish by 11. And another group come from 1 to 5. They have 2 shifts a day in here. And this is a temple, and here are the stupa. Yeah, in the temple. Kampong Khleang. This is the birthplace of Kampong Khleang. This island, it was an island, and only there were 70 families who were fishermen who live around here, and they found ivory. Khleang, I mean elephant tusk, and was hidden here. So when they found here, we call Kampong Khleang. Kampong, I mean a floating village. Khleang, I mean ivory.
We're just coming up into the temple now. This is built higher, so it doesn't flood up here. So this is where we walked up last time. We walked straight down this road here and up the stairs to the temple. And now it's completely flooded and the children are swimming in it. It's completely different. This is so amazing. I love it. I would be so sad if the child water goes and I can't play in it anymore. Look at them having an absolute wonderful time out there in the water.
The fall is in the middle point of the village. So 500 family this side and another 500 family that side. Yeah. And here they use clean water. We have a water supply from ADB. ADB is sponsor to this village with the clean water. They have barrier there, and every housing we have the water, clean water, 1 cubic meter, 25 cents.
This is the little floating place that we got on last time, but last time it was actually right out in the main lake. This time they've brought it inside, so I think we're going to go upstairs and have a little look up there. She made it! Well, this is a view and a half from up here. Look at that. And some of the people from our tour, they have gone down this little waterway here, and it costs $11 for a boat for 2 people, so I've decided not to go this time. Look at that sky. It doesn't even look real. The light right now is just magical. This lady's just come past to see if we want anything from her little shop. The water looks like glass. Such a beautiful way to end the day.